In this video, we will review the process for enabling time-based OTP in Microsoft Entra ID. Then we will register a TOTP credential on a Swissbit iShield key and authenticate to Office 365. From the Azure portal, select Microsoft Entra ID. Expand the Manage menu item, then select Security. Next, select Authentication Methods. From the list of methods available, select Hardware Oath Tokens. You may enable this for your entire domain, or select the group that will be using the oath capabilities on your iShield key. Return to the menu and select Multi-Factor Authentication. Under Settings, select Oath Tokens. From this page, we can upload the CSV file that contains the oath tokens, their associated secrets, and general TOTP policies. Now let's look at how to create the CSV file and specify the columns required by Microsoft Entra ID. The CSV file columns include UPN, serial number, the base 32 secret key, the time interval for TOTP validation, the manufacturer, and the model of the hardware key. For testing, we can define these values manually. However, in a production environment, the CSV file would be provided by Swissbit. You may obtain and copy the serial number from the overview card displayed on the iShield Key Manager. As this is a test environment, you may easily generate the base 32 secret key using publicly available websites and utilities. Standard time intervals for TOTP are 30 or 60 seconds. For the manufacturer, simply provide Swissbit and iShield Key 2 as the model. When finished, save your work as a CSV file. From the iShield Key Manager passcode card, we can configure a new TOTP slot. In this example, let's use the manual option, provide an account name, an issuer name, and paste the value that we created for the base 32 secret. You can modify the code length and optionally protect the PIN. Finally, select the 30-second interval time and click Configure. Now we can return to the Entra ID portal and complete the upload of the CSV file. As an optional step, Entra ID allows you to pre-assign and register the iShield key on behalf of a user. To complete this process, copy the passcode from the Passcodes card displayed in your iShield Key Manager. Paste it into the verification field and click OK. Now that the iShield key is registered as a hardware TOTP device, we may authenticate to Office 365 as the enrolled user. In this demonstration, the user is already enrolled with a password and the Microsoft Authenticator. The Use Verification Code option should be visible on the login screen. Once again, return to the iShield Key Manager and copy the passcode, then click Verify. Finally, the user may select the Security Info option to view and manage the new iShield key registered as a hardware token. I hope you found this video useful, and as always, Swissbit looks forward to assisting you on your passwordless journey.